We created this short video to highlight the main changes included in this new version of Erplain. In just a few minutes, you'll be up and running with a new Erplain. In the coming weeks, and thanks to this new version, we will be able to frequently add new features. This is just the beginning. Here are the main changes. First, filtering information. We have improved the way you can filter your information, like products, invoices, stock levels, or purchase orders. We have also created a detailed video to show you how they work. You will find it directly in the Help Center. Unfortunately, if you have created tabs with save filters in the previous version of Erplain, it will be necessary to create your save filters again in this new version. Exporting data. You can now export your invoices, products, stock levels, and all other data directly from the corresponding page. This is where you will find the new Export button. The Export menu in the settings is no longer there. We have also added the ability to export in Excel format. Linked transactions. The layout for linked transactions has also changed a little bit. You can now find all linked transactions like shipping orders or invoices directly in these tabs. New products. Creating or editing different types of products is now even quicker. You can now select the type of product directly as you create it. And if you need to create product with variants, assemblies, or kits, click on the corresponding option. You can also enable batch tracking as you create the product. The new Action button. The options to send a PDF by email, duplicating transactions, or canceling transactions are now in the Actions button. Creating a purchase order from a sales order. The buttons to create purchase orders from sales orders can now be found on the side. This is where you can start the backorder process. Top navigation menu. The user profile, Help Center link, or logout options are now accessible from this top right menu. If you're the admin of the account, this is also where you will find your account settings. The quick access menu is still here on the top right by clicking on the plus sign. The cloud icon will list all your recently downloaded files. The background operations icon will show you the progress of imports or bulk updates. Tags and variants. You can now manage your tags and variant attributes directly from the products menu. You can now list your tags and delete your tags. Duplicating products, customers, and suppliers. You can now duplicate products, customers, and suppliers. Simply open any product, for example, you will find the duplicate button. Intelligence reports. We've added a few filters and columns in the sales reports. You can now add or filter on the address or country, for example. Tax type. The option to select tax inclusive or tax exclusive is now a little switch directly in the transactions. Thank you for watching, and please don't hesitate if you have any questions.